spelling and meaning both are different. So let's know today.
Word right, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. Sentence, my answer is right. W-R-I-T-E, right. I write with my right hand.
Okay. First right means सही और WRIT मतलब लिखना.
Word sun, S-O-N. Ramu's son love to play in the sun.
SON means बेटा और SUN meaning
Sun.
सूरज, सूर्य. Okay. Ramu's son love to play in the sun. Okay.
Word paper, pepper. P-A-P-E-R. I wrote the thought on the paper.
Second-
Pepper. P-E-P-P-E-R. I don't like pepper to eat.
पेपर में मतलब कागज, पेज, और पेपर ही मतलब काली मिर्च, मसाला.
Word feet, feet. F-E-E-T, feet. A man has 2 feet. F-E-A-T, feet. The flight over average was a remarkable feat.
FEET फीट मतलब पैर और FEAT मतलब पंख.
Word egg,
Eight.
egg. Meaning G-E-I-G-H-T. Sentence. Sita is 8 years old. At A-T-E. She ate an apple.
EIGST मतलब नंबर 8, 7, 8 और ATE मतलब ईट की सेकंड फॉर्म है.
Homophone. Made, M-A-D-E. Meaning to create. Sentence, the cake is made from egg, flour and sugar. Second word, made, M-A-I-D. Meaning woman working in house. Sentence, she hurried a maid to do the cleaning.
सी हार्ड. एक मेड होता है MAD मतलब बनाना और MAID मतलब घर में जो काम करने के लिए हम औरत रखते हैं, नौकरानी साइड बोलते हैं उसको. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Homophone. D. B-E-A-T. D. Sentence. Will he be able to beat the champion of all time? Second word, beat. B-E-E-T. Beat. He loves to eat beet because it is healthy.
BEET मतलब बीटरूट, चुकंदर और BEAT मतलब हराना.
Word birth B-I-T-H-E-R. Sentence, what is your date of birth? Second word B-E-R-T-H. Sentence, I have received word birth number 9.
ओके. BIRTH मतलब जन्म लेना, डेट ऑफ बर्थ. एंड BERTH मतलब ट्रेन में जो हमें सीट मिलती है, लोअर बर्थ, अपर बर्थ, मिडिल बर्थ. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Homophone. Blue, blue. Spelling B-L-U-E. Sentence, his favorite color is blue. Second, B-L-E-W. Blue. Sentence, he picked a tissue and below his nose. Word loose. Spell L-O-O-S-E. Sentence, I wear loose clothes. Second word, loose. Spell L-O-S-E. Sentence, we will lose everything at gambling. Word, see. Spell S-E-E. Second word, see. S-E-A. See, I can see you. Second, I want swimming in the sea. See मानी देखना. दूसरा सी मानी समुंदर.
ओके. SEE मतलब देखना, SEA मतलब समुद्र. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Word weak. Weak. Spelling W-E-A-K. Sentence, your eyesight is weak. Second, week. WEEK. Sentence 7 days in week.
WEAK मतलब कमजोर और WEEK मीन्स
Weak.
सप्ताह।
WEAK, week. Sentence not strong. Second word, week. WEEK, week. Sentence days of the week. Blue, blue. First word, BLEW. Sentence the wind blew. Second word, BLUE. I have a blue color pen.
ओके BLEW मतलब हवा या फूंक मारना, BLUE मतलब कलर।
Already, already. ALLREADY. ALREADY. In sentence, I'm already awake. The team is all ready to start the game.
ALREADY ऑलरेडी मतलब पहले से।
What? We.
ALLREADY ऑलरेडी मतलब सब ठीक ठाक ऑलरेडी।
Word, week. Week. Spelling WEEK. Sentence, I am not coming to school this week. Second word, week. WEAK. Sentence, I am so weak. Word, accept, ACCEPT. Sentence, I accept that you will learn something new. Second word, expect. Spell EXCEPT. Expect. I like every color except yellow.
ACCEPT एक्सेप्ट मतलब स्वीकार करना और EXCEPT एक्सेप्ट यानी के अलावा।
Word use. Example. Spelling LOOSE. Example, I wear loose clothes. Second word, loose. LOSE. Example, I will everything at glamorous.
LOOSE लूज मतलब ढीला, कपड़े पहनते ढीले। LOSE लूज मतलब हारना।
First word, allow. Spelling ALLOWED. Sentence, he has been allowed to go home by that teacher. Second word, allow. Example, please read aloud.
ALLOWED अलाउड मतलब अलाउ करना किसी को और ALOUD अलाउड का मतलब जोर से बोलना।
Word, birth. 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 Her pet dog gave birth to a little of puppies. Second word, breath.
Birth.
Birth. BERTH. I got a birth.
लोअर बर्थ, अपर बर्थ, मिडिल बर्थ। ओके।
Word, allowed. Spelling ALLOWED. Allowed. Sentence, he has been allowed to go home by the teacher. Second word, allow. Spelling ALOUD. Allow. Please read aloud. Word, week. Spelling WEEK. Meaning hafta. Sentence, this week was wonderful. Second word, week. WEAK. Meaning kamjor. My EVS is kamjor. My EVS is weak.
Okay. Next. Speak loudly.
Word, root. ROUTE. Meaning rasta. We talk the route to reach Delhi route. Meaning jud. Sentence, the roots of this tree have gone deep into the earth.
ROUT रूट का मतलब होता है रास्ता, मार्ग और ROOT का मतलब होता है जड़ें।
Word site site spelling CITE. Example he cite money. Example prove his point. Site a place chosen for some special purpose.
नेक्स्ट
Word here. Sentence HERE. Sentence please come here. HARE.
HEAR
Can you
हियर मी।
hear me?
HERE मतलब यहाँ, HEAR मतलब सुनना।
Vain, VAIN, meaning useless. Sentence all his effort proved in vain. My second word vein, spell VEIN, meaning blood vessels. Sentence
The vein
the vein carry the blood to heart.
VAIN वेन का मतलब होता है बेकार, व्यर्थ, और VEIN का मतलब होता है
no.
नशे।
Spelling NO.
I have no books।
I have no books.
सेकंड वर्ड
Second word KNO. No.
KNOW।
Spelling KNOW. Example, do you know a secret?
Yes, I know your secret। नेक्स्ट
Why?
बाय।
Why Ravan was killed by Ram?
BY मतलब होता है के द्वारा, मतलब रावण वॉज किल्ड बाय रामा। एंड एक बाय होता है BYE मतलब बाय बाय करना, अलविदा।
One spelling ONE. One is first digit of numbers.
यस।
Won. WON. I won the match.
ONE वन मतलब एक होता है, और WON वन मतलब जीतना होता है, मतलब जीता, सेकंड फॉर्म।
Word. Root.
Root.
Spell ROUTE. Sentence. We took the short route to reach. Second word. RWOT. Root. Sentence. The roots of this tree have gone
Deep into the earth। Okay. Next
First HEAR, meaning sentence, can you hear me? Word second HERE, sentence please come here.
Word right. RIGHT. Formula. This sum is right.
this sum is right।
Second
WRITE
word WRITE.
sentence।
Sentence. Write a letter.
ओके। WRITE मतलब लिखना।
First word tail, TALE, sentence, this book was beautiful tail. Second word TAIL, the dog has long tail.
ओके। TAIL मतलब पूंछ होती है, और TALE मतलब होता है स्टोरी।
First word is check. CHECK. Sentence. The teacher had checked all the notebooks. Second word is check. Spelling is CHECQUE. Today I have received a check for 2000 rupees from my father.
CHECK मतलब होता है चेक करना, जांच करना, और CHEQUE का मतलब होता है जो चेक मिलता है ना बैंक से पैसों का, वो होता है चेक।
My first word, axis. AX ES, axis. Sentence. The graph showed data plotted along X and Y axis. My second word, axis. AXIS, axis. Sentence. The earth rotates around its axis, consuming day and night.
AXEX का मतलब होता है कुल्हाड़ी और AXIS एक्सिस का मतलब होता है अक्ष, यानी पृथ्वी घूमती है ना अपने अक्ष पे।
Homophone. Tail, tail. TAIN, TANE.
सेंटेंस।
Sentence. The dog has curved tail. TALE. The book has beautiful tail.
Homophones 8. Spell EIGHT. We will meet after the office end. Second word ATE. The app ate the all apples.
EIGST का मतलब होता है 8 और ATE का मतलब होता है खाया। ओके, तो हमने होमोफोन्स देखे अभी। तो होमोफोन्स के बारे में हमने बताया कि ऐसे वर्ड्स जिनका प्रोनाउंसिएशन, जिनका साउंड सेम होता है लेकिन उनका मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होती है। तो बहुत सारे होमोफोन्स बच्चे लिख के लाए, जैसे वीक वीक लिख के लाए, एट एट लिख के लाए, रूट रूट लिख के लाए, बर्थ बर्थ लिख के लाए, लूज लूज लिख के लाए, टेल टेल लिख के लाए, ईयर सिटी सिटी, चेक चेक, और एट एट, ऑलरेडी ऑलरेडी, एक्सेप्ट एक्सेप्ट, ब्लू ब्लू, राइट राइट, सन सन, पेपर पेपर, और मैड मैड, बीट बीट, ब्लू और सी सी। ये बहुत सारे वर्ड्स लिख के लाए। तो जोरदार तालियां हो जाएंगी सब बच्चों के लिए।